Hi, this is my first game in Unity. We'll make it in just 2 weeks while learning Unity. Here, what is the point of the game that it was copied from us? Angry Shark, how can I say it? And it works. A game about a shark where it has to eat a fisherman and you. Here it is. Enemy. We are Yuri here. Here I have two scripts, fish movement and enemy rotation, which create these kinds of decorations. Here's the canvas. This is HP. This is how many limbo we have eaten, where it turns out to be hers. We made animations. Here are the prefabs. Fish. This is a simple animation. The water splash is the splash effect. Scripts. This was the hardest part for me because I had never written code before. The script is in C#, basically in C-like languages. And here's the first script. We wrote play rotation so that the clone could move and look towards the mouse. Here we wrote and learned what vector3 is. All of this is Unity. We declared variables, float, and I learned about the concept of public, and I also learned about how classes work. Various such libraries. Now I'll talk about the game mechanics. Here we have a shark, and it simply eats fish. On the right, our health is highlighted in green. On the left, in red, it shows how many fish we've carried. I ate one fish. I added it, along with one that I was already carrying. There's a noticeable water splash effect, and the enemy shark also features splash effects. We also made an animation for the nickname, as well as for the boats. So, if the shark bites us, it will light up bright red and then starts chasing us. It can also pursue us if we can see the visibility zone. It's quite small. And we also made it so that the camera shakes 3 times when hit by the shark. I take off all sorts of scenery, and if a shark kills us, we have it 0 PP, and the game resumes.